You have arrived in Marco Island, Florida, a beautiful Gulf waterfront paradise with nice culture. Let's reveal the top 10 things to do in Marco Island and smash that subscribe button. At top 10, let's talk about the great beaches of Marco Island. Picture this: miles of soft white sand meeting the clear turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico. South Marco Beach and Tiger Tail Beach are two of the most popular spots, each offering unique charm and amenities. Whether you're lounging under a beach umbrella, building sandcastles, or taking a dip, these beaches have something for everyone. The gentle waves and shallow waters make it perfect for families. Plus, the sunsets here are absolutely mesmerizing, a perfect way to end your day. Don't forget your snorkel gear. The clear waters are perfect for underwater exploration. Marco Island's beaches are a haven for relaxation and natural beauty. Top 9 is a visit to the Marco Island Historical Museum. This museum is a treasure trove of the island's rich history and cultural heritage. You'll find artifacts, photographs, and interactive displays that tell the story of Marco Island's evolution. One highlight is the Key Marco cat, a 1,500-year-old wooden carving. The museum also features exhibits on the island's pioneer days and natural environment. Whether you're a history buff or just curious, the Marco Island Historical Museum is a must-visit. Top 8. One of the most exciting activities on Marco Island is taking a boat tour to see dolphins in their natural habitat. Several local tour operators offer dolphin watching excursions, knowing the best spots to find these magnificent animals. As you cruise through the calm waters, keep your eyes peeled for pods of dolphins swimming alongside the boat. The tour guides are knowledgeable and passionate about marine life, offering interesting facts and insights. In addition to dolphins, you might also spot manatees, sea turtles, and a variety of bird species. The boat tours are not only exciting but also educational, making them a perfect family-friendly activity. There's nothing quite like the thrill of seeing dolphins in the wild. Top 7. For those who crave adventure, Marco Island offers a fantastic array of water sports. Kayaking and paddleboarding are two of the most popular activities, great for exploring the island's beautiful waterways. Imagine gliding across the calm, crystal-clear waters, with the sun shining overhead. There are several rental shops and guided tour operators on the island. Kayaking through the mangroves is particularly enchanting, teeming with wildlife. Paddleboarding offers a different perspective, allowing you to stand up and take in the panoramic views. Whether you venture out on your own or join a guided tour, water sports on Marco Island are an absolute blast. They're a perfect way to get some exercise and enjoy the great outdoors. Top 6. Marco Island is the gateway to the 10,000 Islands, a labyrinth of mangrove islets and waterways. This unique ecosystem is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're kayaking, boating, or taking a guided tour, the 10,000 Islands are a must-see. The scenery here is simply breathtaking, with endless stretches of mangroves and crystal-clear waters. One of the best ways to experience the 10,000 Islands is by taking a guided eco-tour. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who provide fascinating insights into the area's ecology and history. Fishing enthusiasts will also find plenty to love here, with waters teeming with fish. It's a natural wonderland waiting to be explored. Top 5. Marco Island is home to some of the most luxurious resorts in Florida, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo retreat, these resorts have everything you need. From cozy, intimate settings perfect for couples to expansive, family-friendly accommodations, there's something for everyone. Imagine waking up in a spacious suite with stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico. The gentle sound of the waves and the breathtaking sunrise create a serene start to your day. The top resorts offer amenities like spa services, fine dining, and private beach access. Indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment, savor gourmet cuisine, or take a leisurely stroll on a private beach. The JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort is a standout, with luxurious accommodations and multiple pools. Its world-class service and facilities make it a top choice for discerning travelers. Another top option is the Marco Beach Ocean Resort, known for its personalized service and intimate atmosphere. Here, every guest is treated like royalty, ensuring a memorable stay. Whether you're lounging by the pool or enjoying a gourmet meal, you'll find plenty of ways to unwind. The resorts offer a variety of activities and dining options to suit every taste. Treat yourself to a bit of luxury at Marco Island's resorts. With their exceptional amenities and stunning locations, these resorts provide the perfect escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. Top 4. Fishing is one of the most popular activities on Marco Island. The Gulf of Mexico offers some of the best fishing opportunities in the region. You can choose from deep-sea fishing charters to inshore and backwater fishing trips. The local guides are experts and know the best spots to find fish. Some of the most sought-after fish include grouper, snapper, tarpon, and redfish. The thrill of the catch, combined with the beautiful surroundings, makes for an unforgettable day on the water. Many charters also offer family-friendly options, so you can bring the kids along. Fishing in the Gulf of Mexico is a must-do activity on Marco Island. Top 3. No trip to Marco Island would be complete without indulging in some of the freshest seafood. The island's unique location provides access to an abundance of fresh catches, making it a paradise for seafood lovers. From succulent shrimp to mouth-watering fish, the variety is endless. The island is home to a variety of top-rated seafood restaurants, each offering its own unique twist on classic dishes. Whether you're in the mood for a casual bite or a fine dining experience, Marco Island has it all. One must-visit spot is the Snook Inn, known for its relaxed atmosphere and fantastic waterfront views. Here you can enjoy your meal while taking in the serene beauty of the island's waterways. The menu features a wide range of options from freshly caught fish to delectable seafood platters. Another standout is the Oyster Society, offering a sophisticated dining experience with fresh oysters and lobster. The elegant interior and attentive service make it a perfect spot for a special night out. Don't miss their signature oyster dishes, which are a true delicacy. For a more casual dining experience, head to Libby Fish, known for its simple, fresh, and delicious seafood. This laid-back spot is perfect for a quick lunch or a relaxed dinner. The focus here is on quality and freshness, ensuring every bite is a delight. The menu includes options like fish tacos, ceviche, and grilled fish sandwiches. Each dish is prepared with care, using the freshest ingredients available. The flavors are vibrant and the portions generous, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. So, whether you're a seafood aficionado or just looking to try something new, Marco Island's dining scene has something for everyone. The diversity of options ensures that there's always something to satisfy your cravings, no matter what you're in the mood for. Be sure to sample the local, enjoy the culinary delights of Marco Island and make your dining experience truly unforgettable. Top 2. Marco Island offers a delightful shopping experience with a variety of local boutiques and markets. One of the best places to start is the Marco Island Farmers Market, featuring fresh produce and handmade crafts. For a more upscale shopping experience, head to the Esplanade shops, offering high-end boutiques and art galleries. Another must-visit spot is Marco Town Center Mall, with shops selling everything from beachwear to home goods. It's a convenient one-stop shopping destination with a friendly atmosphere. Whether you're looking to treat yourself to a new outfit or find the perfect gift, Marco Island's shopping scene has something for everyone. Don't forget to support the local businesses and artisans. Enjoy a leisurely day of browsing and discovering unique treasures. Top 1. When the sun sets, Marco Island comes alive with a variety of experiences for night owls and casual evening strollers alike. From laid-back beach bars to lively clubs, there's no shortage of options for a fun night out. Whether you prefer sipping cocktails by the shore or dancing the night away, Marco Island has something for everyone. Start your evening at the Sunset Grill, known for its stunning sunset views and relaxed atmosphere. Enjoy a delicious meal as you watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. For live music and dancing, head to Stan's Idle Hour, offering a lively and welcoming atmosphere. This iconic spot is perfect for those who love to dance to the rhythm of live bands and enjoy the camaraderie of fellow music lovers. If you're in the mood for something more upscale, check out Cane Tiki Bar and Grill at the JW Marriott. This elegant venue provides a sophisticated setting with its chic decor and top-notch service. This chic, Polynesian-inspired bar offers craft cocktails and live entertainment. Sip on expertly crafted drinks while enjoying performances that range from live music to captivating shows. No matter what your idea of a great night out is, Marco Island has plenty of options to keep you entertained. From quiet, intimate settings to bustling, energetic venues, the island caters to all tastes and preferences. Put on your dancing shoes and get ready to experience the island's vibrant nightlife. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or just looking to have a good time, the lively atmosphere and friendly locals will make your night unforgettable. Thanks for watching our guide to the top 10 things to do in Marco Island, Florida. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment for more travel tips and guides. Share your own Marco Island experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels and subscribe to discover the world.